Hello everyone. Today I'll walk you through the steps to enable two-factor authentication on Discord. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account by requiring not just a password but a unique code generated on your phone each time you log in. First is to go to your Discord app, then tap in the gear icon to open up Settings menu beside your username on the lower left. On the pop-up menu under My Account, click Enable Authenticator app, then type in your Discord password. A pop-up menu will display indicating you need to download Google Authenticator from your phone. In Google Play or App Store, search in Google Authenticator and download it. After downloading, open Google Authenticator, then tap in Add a code. To add your account faster, tap in Scan a QR code, then scan the QR code displayed on your Discord app, and it will automatically add an authenticator code. To finish enabling the authenticator, go back to your Discord app and type in the code displayed. Once done, it will show you a pop-up saying 2FA is activated, meaning your two-factor authenticator has been activated.